turbos sit right behind these things.
Oh, is it down there?
Yeah, so I could take those off and get just some Ram air.
Oh, that's okay. Who did the build on this?
Arrington. Shop Hemi out in West Virginia.
Oh, okay.
Shop out there.
How much boost are you running right now?
Like 14 psi. I mean, right now I'm putting down 840, horsepower, but I could probably get it up to close to 1,200 horsepower, 1,300 foot-pounds at the work. So
that's crazy. What turbos you said it had?
Some Precision 62, 66s.
Okay. How big is the motor?
It's a 440, aluminum 440, okay. Punched out there 449, 7.3 liter.
Yeah, it's a pretty big motor. That'll spool them up good.
Oh yeah.
How close was that?
It's closer than I thought, man. He was saying it was, well, we're only 500 horse.
Yeah, he said 560. I was like,
It looked a little stronger than that. I mean,
How'd the race end up? You pull on him?
Yeah.
How many?
That's where I kind of thought, okay, maybe it's more realistic. But
yeah.
From the get-go, it's like, it's pretty good there, man.
He knows how to launch that thing, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Was it?
I don't like that footage.
Hell yeah. You pulled on him right away, didn't you? He launched on you.
He got me on the line. No, I bogged the launch.
Oh, did you?
And then I started to reel him in once I got into third gear.
Really? I figured that'd be a good race. Was it real close?
Yeah, it was pretty close, man. He started obviously closing in on me there.
Yeah.